If your hip roof ventilation is not on point, your whole house can end up feeling like a sauna, and that is definitely not cool. So, first off, make sure you got vents at the right spots, usually at the soffits and at the ridge, because good airflow means hot air gets out and fresh air comes in. You want that air moving naturally without any blockages, so keep insulation and stuff away from blocking those vents. Another thing, check if your attic has enough vent area based on the size of your roof. Too little venting just won't cut it. If you're using powered vents or turbines, be careful not to overdo it because they can suck conditioned air from your house. You can also consider adding baffles to keep air flowing under the roof deck, which stops moisture buildup that messes with your beams. Keep an eye on signs like mold or warped wood. They usually mean your ventilation is off. Don't forget to clean your vents regularly so leaves or debris don't choke the airflow. Finally, if you're not sure, getting a pro to inspect your hip roof ventilation can save you from way bigger headaches later on. One of the biggest mistakes with hip roof ventilation is under-ventilating. People often skimp on the vent size or number, which traps heat and moisture. Fix this by calculating proper vent area based on roof square footage and adding more vents if needed. Another common issue is blocking soffit vents with insulation or debris, which kills the airflow. Just install baffles and keep vents clean to solve this. The third problem is installing powered vents without understanding their impact. They can pull conditioned air from inside your home and cause energy waste. Opt for passive ventilation or consult an expert before installing powered options. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff about things like hip roof ventilation. Contractors also get a chance to connect with people ready to start projects, making it easier for everyone to get things done without stress.